What is that, Amelia? The choo-choo train. It's a big city. Where's the other one coming? Here it comes.
That's funny. Came out through the hole. The tunnel, that's a tunnel. Came out through the tunnel. Stop. We're not gonna let it stop. We're gonna keep pushing.
Thanks, Grandpa. Push again. Make it go. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. A pretty cool little city here at the hospital. The train. Tell Grandpa, make it go, Grandpa, make it go.
That's this one right here. That one there. That one's that. And that one will be this one right here.
Yeah. There it goes. What color is the train, Amelia? Black. Oh, the fire cars and the police cars and everything. This is really cool. What? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Oh no, it stopped again. I don't know. That could be why.
There it goes again. Did you see the little pineapple over here? The little...
Look at the circus. There's a circus.
Which one?
Pretty sad, Val, when I am taking videos of trains for Gavin and we're at a hospital to come and see this. Uh-oh. This one's coming first. Pretty cool. Oh, it stopped. Oh no, it's button time. This is really big too. You can get a scope of, you turn it sideways, hang on. Oh, you know what? That's awesome. Let's make that go.
Let's make this train go.
Want to watch the red one? The M&M train. That's an M&M train, Amelia.
There it goes.
There goes the M&M train. M&Ms. M&Ms. Oh no, we have all kinds of them going now. That is super cool.
On the top track.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gavin, they have a, looks like they've got a movie theater. And they've got Blake's Barber Shop. There's one for you, Blake. You got a barber shop named after you here. And a little cafe. And a baseball field. All kinds of things. Don't know what's quite over there. What's happening? Where's the M&M train? Here it comes, Amelia. Here it comes. The M&M train. Right there. Yellow one. The M&M train. I see Snoopy on it.